Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learning is Fun with Bobby.
Bobby, please, may I go to toilet? I need to pee. It's very urgent.
Yes, of course you may, because we should not hold our pee for a longer time, because this can lead to severe problems, health problems, including infection. So, you should not hold your pee for a longer time. Many of you may wonder that what is pee? It is the urine. I think you all know the word urine. Now, what is urine? Due to different types of activities, our body keeps on generating some harmful and unwanted waste materials. And these waste materials and excess water in our body causes harm. Means these are toxic for our body. These are not useful for our body and it causes harm to our body. So what does our body do? Our body gets rid of these waste chemicals and excess water by making urine. And for that we need an organ. So which organs help in making urine? That is the kidney. So today we will learn about the kidney. This is the urinary system of our human body. These two organs are the kidneys. These two organs are the kidneys. Now what are kidneys? Kidneys are bean-shaped organs. Have you ever seen the kidney bean, which is known as rajma also? This is rajma, known as the kidney beans. This is the rajma. So that is the shape of our kidney. Where are they located? So kidneys are located in an upper abdominal area of our body against the back muscle, not in the front side. It is in the back muscle, against the back muscle and on both the sides of our spine.
See, in the front side, inside our body, the digestive system is there, and at the back side, this is the urinary system. On the either side of the spine, the spinal cord, both the kidneys are located. You can see both the kidneys. These are the kidneys. And then the ureters, and at the bottom, that is the bladder.
Each kidney is about 5 inches or 13 centimeters long and 3 inches or 8 centimeters wide. We can say that it is about the size of a computer mouse. Now let us see how our kidney works. The blood which is filled with or which carries the impurities, the waste materials, waste chemicals and the excess water, it enters into our kidneys. In both the kidneys, it enters into our kidneys. In the kidneys, millions of nephrons are there. Nephrons are the basic structural and functional unit of the kidneys. The main function is done by the nephrons. There are millions of nephrons inside the kidneys. Now, what happens when the impure blood filled with waste chemicals and excess water enters the kidney through renal artery. It enters the kidney. Then what happens? The nephrons take the impurities, means the waste materials or waste chemicals and the excess water, and the pure blood again gets out of the kidney, and the waste materials, waste chemicals and the excess water is known as the urine remains in the kidney. So this is, the kidney acts like a filter in our body. It filters the blood and takes in the impure or waste chemicals and excess water and gives out the pure blood. Now, the urine is inside this kidney. Our body has to get rid of these impure substances because these are harmful for our body. This is done by a system which is known as the urinary system. So, urinary system consists two kidneys, we know, and two long tubes. These are the two tubes known as ureters. U-R-E-T-E-R-S. Ureters. And then a bladder is there. It's like a pouch. It's like a pouch which is stretchable. It is like a pouch. This is the storage area of the urine. This is known as the urinary bladder. And from this urinary bladder, this is the storage area, storage unit of the urine. The urine is stored here. And after some time, means after our urinary bladder is full, then the urine has to go out of our body, and that is done by another small tube-like structure that is known as urethra. U-R-E-T-H-R-A. The urine which is formed in the kidneys, then it is passed down through these two tube-like structures, that is ureters, these tube-like structures, and then from here the urine is collected in the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder can hold up to 300 milliliter to 500 milliliter of urine before we have the urge to pass the urine out. From the kidneys, the urine passes down through the two tube-like structures, that is the ureters, and then the urine is collected in the urinary bladder, and then it goes out of our body through this urethra. And in this way, our body gets rid of the waste chemicals and excess water. I hope you enjoyed the learning, and now you have an idea about the kidneys. For more such educational videos, please subscribe to my channel Learning is Fun with Bobby. Till our next video, bye bye, take care.